Hey, Lucas here with FastCap, and this is the updated version of the Knife Sled. Knife Sled is an awesome tool for doing your layout cuts on Kaizen foam to get your drawer shape and not ending up with an ugly, tattered looking edge like you see here trying to cut it by hand. So all you do, take your ruler, take your long nose or other marker, draw your layout lines, measure it out for your drawers. Then you take your Knife Sled, it fits FastCap's standard tri-blade, slide your tri-blade into it, extend your blade out, and then you have nice line-up lines and windows here. So you just take it, line your lines up with the line you drew on your foam, and you set your blade depth correctly for the foam. Just a simple slide, and it's cut. We'll repeat over here, get it lined up on the line, slide, and cut. And then I need to slice this way, so I'm gonna line up on my line. And there we go. Now I got my perfect drawer cutouts, ready to go, ready to lay out my tools and cut them in. So features of the new updated Knife Sled. One, the knife now comes in and out easily, fits the knife perfectly, so it's not gonna get stuck in there on you. Two, we added these nice big windows and these little cutout tabs on the side to help you really follow your line perfectly and be able to see through it. And three, we've added some screws on the bottom so the two pieces screw together. So now it's a nice solid hold. It won't come apart on you when you're using it or when you throw it in your toolbox. That's the updated Knife Sled from FastCap. Get yours today, www.fastcap.com, and you're gonna absolutely love this product.